Have you ever pondered over the environmental impact of the products we use in our daily lives? From the plastic container holding your lunch to the fuel powering your car, many of these products have a carbon footprint that is causing profound damage to our planet. But what if we could change that? What if our everyday products could be sustainable and environmentally friendly? In the world of chemistry, scientists are working diligently to create sustainable materials, fuels, and products. These advancements are not just theoretical, they are practical, viable solutions that are already making a significant difference. Take for instance the case of bioplastics. Traditional plastics are made from petroleum, a non-renewable resource, and they take hundreds of years to decompose. But bioplastics are different. They are made from renewable resources like cornstarch and sugarcane, and they decompose much faster than traditional plastics. A company called Green Dot Bioplastics has developed a type of bioplastic that is not only biodegradable, but also compostable. This means that their bioplastic can break down in a compost pile in just a few months, turning into nutrient-rich soil that can be used to grow more plants. But it's not just about bioplastics. When we think about sustainable products, we must also consider green energy. A company named Bloom Energy is pioneering the use of solid oxide fuel cells, which convert fuel into electricity through a chemical reaction without combustion. This process significantly reduces the carbon emissions associated with traditional power generation. Bloom Energy's fuel cells are already being used by companies like Google and eBay to power their data centers. These companies are reducing their carbon footprint and operating more sustainably, all while maintaining a reliable power supply. And then there's the case of algae biofuel. Algae, those simple aquatic organisms, can be grown to produce biofuel, a renewable source of energy. Companies like Sapphire Energy and Algenol are leading the way in this field, showing that it's possible to produce fuel in a way that doesn't contribute to climate change. These are just a few examples of how innovative chemical processes are creating sustainable materials, fuels, and products. The benefits are clear: reduced carbon emissions, less dependence on non-renewable resources, and a healthier planet for future generations. Yet, these solutions can only reach their full potential with your support. By choosing sustainable products, you're not just making a purchase, you're making a statement. You're saying that you care about the environment and you're willing to do your part to protect it. So, the next time you're at the store or shopping online, think about the impact of your choices. Look for products that are made sustainably, whether it's bioplastics or green energy. It's a small step, but it's a step in the right direction. Together we can make a difference. Together, we can create a sustainable future.